What's something people don't know about snails? They can sneeze really loud. Yes, you heard that right. So why do snails sneeze so loud? Picture this, a tiny snail with a big sneeze. Snails have this cool thing called a pneumostome. It's like their version of nostrils. Pause and chuckle. When they sneeze, it's like blowing a trumpet through their tiny nose. The sneeze helps them clear out mucus and dust, keeping their breathing smooth. And just like us, sometimes they sneeze louder than expected. Imagine a tiny horn blaring. That's a snail sneeze for you. So next time you hear a tiny achoo in your garden, just remember, it might be a snail with some serious sneeze power. Nature's full of surprises, isn't it? Keep curious and keep exploring. Pause and smile.